Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I keep on looking there. I'm supposed to be looking here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below, right? Everything you need is going to be in the description box. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about all the trades that we took on our VIP signal. So we're currently giving everyone access for 1 month free. And then February, you're going to start paying for a monthly subscription. It's going to be $30, right? So you're kind of like making money to pay your February subscription, right? So why not? Believe in YVNT. So let me look at NZDSD. NZDSD, we were expecting price to come back, right? Retest, and then we take a buy. Okay, my camera is giving me problems, so I'm going to switch it off. So now we're expecting for a retest here, right? And then we send out our signals to take, you can buy, put a stop loss around here, around 633.49. 633.49, it was our stop loss, right? And then we here, this was a 1 to 2 trade. So we're expecting to make, let's say, risk $100 to make $200, $10 to make $20, $5 to make $10, you know, depending on your lot size in your account. So this is what we were looking at, right? But we noticed that we have CPI coming out on Thursday. So we say, okay, cool, we can say this is a high probability trade. So we send out a message to people, say, hey, please monitor your stop losses, because what we didn't want to do is say adjust the stop loss, because some of the people don't have big accounts, some people have small accounts, some people don't even understand risk management. So you know, you need to make sure that you put everyone in one place where you say monitor your stop losses, and then it's going to be each personal decision to either you're going to move it, accept the risk, and let it go, right? So what happened is we monitored our stop loss and be like, okay, we can adjust it, because we're also using a small lot size. That's why we always say apply risk management, right? So we adjusted around here. What happened is we waited for CPI, and then we also noticed that, okay, cool, this price is not going anywhere. And then we've been holding this trade for about 3 days, right? And then what happened is CPI came, even though we did manage our stop losses, CPI just spiked us out. And then we also had slippage, right? Slippage and some of the brokers that push us. So if you like to trade with a broker that doesn't have slippage, I would advise you to go and trade with Xness, which I'm going to put the link below, right? So with Xness, we didn't get any slippage. It just took us where we put our stop losses, but then the other brokers just took it on slippage. So price took us out around these areas, and then we were like, okay, cool, it's fine. Let's wait and see what's going to happen with this news, right? So if you can go to 1 hour, right? We started being in a range, and then price started playing around, right? Respecting the lows and the highs, right? So if you know how to trade the range from our previous video, you could have caught this, right? If you've been with us like for the past 3 years. So after this, we decided, no, even though we are seeing these opportunities, let's not send out these signals, because to us they're a bit risky, you know, and we don't want our clients to start losing money, right? And over trading. So as we promised, it's either going to get 2 signals or 3 signals a week. That's it. No signals, chill and wait for the proper setup. So, and that was it. That was only 1 signal that we sent out. And then we just waited and see what the market is going to do. And then let's go to the next one that we sent out. So gold, we also sent out gold. So on gold, right? On gold, we had, I think, I don't know how many targets, 2 targets that we're looking at. I just want to go quickly to, I think, to weekly. Yeah, so we had target 1, which was around here, which is almost hit, you know, and target 2, which is around there, which is almost hit, right? So now we can go to our market and look at the trade that we sent. Let me see if this camera is fine now. And yeah, so this is what, damn it, sorry. So this is what we're looking at. Sorry. So why now? Why? Why? There we go. So that's what we were looking at, right? So I was looking for a retest on gold around these areas here, and we did send out a signal exactly when price was about to retest, right? So we just came at the right time, and then price came and started rejecting here, and we went to our leg time frames, and we entered exactly after we saw rejections, and this is our trade that we took. Stop loss, it was around, can't remember, but I think around here, and this was a TP was around 1906, I think 1.5, 1.8, 1.4 mistaken, yeah, 1.5, yeah, so close to 1 to 1, because we're looking at these highs, right? Because with the market that was doing this week was like, ish, you know what? It's Friday. These highs here. It's Friday, and we just want to take trades and go out. We don't want to spend time on the market, and this is what we were looking at. So we wanted to look at 1 to 2, but 1 to 1 was a high probability for us. And even though we were targeting this one, this area here, this target here, right? Friday, we don't like holding trades sometimes. So yeah, we did was a 1906. By the time I wanted to send the second TP, I'm sure the TP was already hit. I was like, nah, you know what? Even though we can send out the second TP, everyone is already out by now. So our initial target for second TP was gonna be around here, which is gonna be 1 to 2. And then as you guys can see, the row the overall trade, it was a 1 to 4, right? It was a 1 to 4, which means 4% if you're risking percentage. And if you make risking $5, you're gonna make around $20 with this trade. So, if you're risking, I mean, $6, you're gonna make 6 times 4. You can do the math, you know. So yeah, so this was the signals that we sent out this week. And for us, with our 2.5%, they're in positive last week, plus this week, which we made, let me just do the math with you guys. So our trades normally is 1 to 1 to 1 to 2, right? So 1 to 1 to 1 to 2. So last week we had 4 trades, 1 break even, 1 loss, 2 TPs. So here you managed to get your 2% because it was a 1 to 2 trades, and here you managed to get your break even, right? So, oh sorry, this was supposed to be 4%, but one trade was 1.5%. So we had 3.5% in total, but then we took a loss, and then we can minus that, and then we had 2.5%, right, in profit for the week. So this week we had a 1 to 2, which we took a loss. That means we lost 1%, right? So we minus by 1%. So for the week, and then we got a 1 to 1.5%, which is a TP. Then this means we recovered the loss, and we were in profit around 0.5% for the week. So we are still in profit, right? Which is good news. So if you add this plus this last week, so this means for this, for the month of January, your account at least should be sitting around 3%, right? If you are trading with us. 3% or whatever the amount if you're risking on the amount value, if you're risking 1,000 to make 2,000, at least it should be around 3,000, around 3 to 4,000 in profits. So yeah, so these are the results for the past 2 weeks. If you like to join our signals group for the month of January, it's free, and then for the month of February, you're gonna start paying for the subscription, and then for the rest of the year, right? So if you would like also to join our mentorship, the link is below, and you can also pay our mentorship in installments, right? But you need to pay first, number 60%, and then pay the rest of 40%, right? So you pay 60% and then you start learning, and then you pay the rest as while you're learning. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and what you guys think, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, peace.